Good morning, guys. So it's 4 o'clock in the morning. You all can see. Just now I woke up. So let's have breakfast and then leave.
So today we are going to another amazing location in South Goa. That's the Kola Beach. पर रुको 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 रुको, हम यहाँ बीच देखने नहीं जा रहे हैं. We are going here for something totally unique and different, जो पूरे गोवा में I guess सिर्फ यहीं पे होता है. But before that we decided to stop at another location which was on our way, and that's the Buddha statue. The lights make it look so mesmerizing that the camera can't make justice to this beautiful view. And the aerial view is totally worth the climb. अगर आप यहाँ आ रहे हो तो अर्ली मॉर्निंग आ जाना या फिर सनसेट के टाइम भी आ सकते हो. And please note that it closes at 6:30 p.m. So before coming here, please know that you have to park your vehicle at the base village and trek the slopey path which is around 2 to 3 kilometers. You can get your bikes at the top, but it's totally off-roading. Usually they charge an entry fee of 150 rupees per person, but I guess हम लोग कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी आ गए थे, तो हमारा फ्री में ही हो गया. सुबह सुबह ऑमलेट तो खा लिया था, पर अभी कुछ ज़्यादा ही भूख लग रही है, तो लेट्स हैव सम ब्रेकफास्ट ऑन आवर वे. I guess we found one food stall. Let's try it out. Bhaji pav and cutlet. पेट पूजा हो गई है, तो let's continue our journey. So about Kola Beach, it's around 65 kilometers from Panjim and approx 34 kilometers from Margao. And please note that it's Kola and not Kolwa. It's a beautifully hidden beach far away from the crowd, and it almost feels like a private beach. Even though the road that leads to the beach is totally muddy, you can take your vehicle inside, and there's also a free parking space. Take these stairs and you directly head on to the beach. There are some beach shacks around if you are planning for a stay, but we are not here to stay. We are here for the beautiful Blue Lagoon kayaking, which I guess is available only at Kola Beach. This lagoon gives a peaceful vibe, surrounded by coconut trees on the both sides. It's a distinguishing feature of this beach that separates Kola Beach from all other beaches in Goa. So whenever you visit Kola Beach, I would highly recommend you to go for this lagoon kayaking. It's a beautifully unique experience, especially if done early morning. वो vibe भी अलग है, fully mind refreshing. So today we came here specially to experience this amazing activity. We got these kayaks at 150 rupees for double kayaks and 100 rupees for single kayaks, and that's for 30 minutes. And 30 minutes कब खत्म हो जाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता. So this was all about an unique location with an unique experience in South Goa, not so famous among the tourists. Hope you love this vlog, and अगर पसंद आए तो सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना, and yeah, please click the like button to get more such cinematic and informative travel videos. And until then, keep wandering.
मयुरेश हिंदी आते हिंदी आप तो एकदम ट्रैकर लग रहे हो भाई.
हाँ थैंक यू बाय.
And you can see Mayuresh, our admin and captain and all. And this is Omkar and this is Big Dattaraj. There are two Dattaraj. This is small and this is big. Actually looking this is big and this is small. So you can clarify me later in my comments. Oh what a smile. लौंडे की smile देख लो. Oh भाई साहब. ये गया behind the scenes.